Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for the xMonthly launch. We're very excited to have all of you in attendance here today. Our team has been working very hard over the past couple months to help prepare for today's launch. xMonthly is a new type of partner organization. We have built several revenue streams over our experience over the years, and we're ready to help our partners win in the Microsoft space. My name is Jeffrey DiMaria, and I'm the founder and CEO of xMonthly. And today we are honored to have you join us in attendance. Our team moves very quickly, and we're thankful to have you here. We're going to help share with you different opportunities for you to engage, different ways for us to partner. Through our experience, we have developed lead generation systems to help partners capture opportunities. And with that, we're going to help bring that for you. Our intent is to help amplify your voice, help you discover opportunities to expand in client accounts, and leverage the partner ecosystem to help generate new business. xMonthly is a subscription software management company. We work with partners in a number of different ways. X is a product or a service, and monthly is a function of time. When we think about X, there is something that makes you special. There is an industry. There is a solution. There is a methodology that you bring to help your clients succeed. What we're going to do here at xMonthly is help accelerate that conversation. We're going to leverage Microsoft programs to help engage clients. There is one offering that we are hoping that our partners will be able to take advantage of. It is called a Microsoft CSP briefing. These CSP briefings are open to all existing Microsoft 365 clients that have the appropriate license and has not purchased Copilot for M365. If you have clients in that scenario, we will help you have that cloud conversation. On today's call, I'll make sure you get to learn a little bit more about our services. Get to meet some of the people that are helping make this happen. It's not just Jeffrey. There are people in the ecosystem that are here to help, and we're going to bring that together. For our CSP briefings, we have brought in a solution architect who has worked at Microsoft. I've worked with them for several years, and they are excellent at helping present the value of these generative AI and Copilot capabilities for clients. On the third Wednesday of each month, we will run this open forum where partners can register their clients, and we will have the CSP briefing for you. We will provide you marketing content to help drive those. We have an inside salesperson who will help fill those seats. If you engage with us, we will get strategic with you and invest resources to help accelerate that cloud conversation. If you are a Dynamics partner and have 30 to 50, 20, whatever clients on premise, You've already started having the Business Central migration discussion with the clients that are ready. We will help warm up that next batch. You benefit by us helping nurturing your client base to be ready to adopt cloud solutions such as Business Central. If you're a Microsoft 365 partner, we have a group of preferred resellers that we will help connect you with to help implement Dynamics applications. We're thankful to have you here today, and let's go ahead and share with you how we're going to go with growth on repeat. Welcome. It's my distinct honor to have you here today. Over the past couple months, we have been working with a number of different individuals within the ecosystem, and we're prepared to share with you a few of our resources. We will share with you our community calendar. We hope that you can make your mark. We're going to dig in a little bit more on CSP Briefings and the value that provides. And then we will go into our partner programs. Our intent is to help you capture the entire Microsoft CSP opportunity with your clients. If you're only focused in one area, we have resources to help you expand into others to help you monetize your business. And we will help accelerate to make that happen. For onboarding, by attending today's session, you will be reached out to by our team. Everyone on this call will get a contributor profile. I'm going to show you today what a contributor profile is all about and why you want one. We discussed the community calendar. xMonthly, over a function of time, we're going to provide 3 community calls per month. They each have their own purpose. Time is a very limited resource that we all have. So we have our standard scheduled events, and we have the ability to meet with you for many a la carte type services. We want you to make your X and be part of the community. We want you to make your mark. We want you to provide your services, and we will help generate opportunities for your business. With our experience having built other platforms, we have a very strong foundational marketing approach to help generate leads. We're working hard to make that happen. These are our 3 monthly community and client calls. They are on a strict schedule, and these dates happen every month. It's consistency. It's transparency. We want to work with you to help you first with the marketing mix. The marketing mix, we will bring in additional presenters and share some insights, some tactics. We will provide marketing content to help drive your clients to the xMonthly CSP briefing, which happens on the 3rd Wednesday of each month. So no matter when you join our program, many times when you host an event, it takes a few touches in order to drive that client to go. So we have a 2-week marketing sprint, which we release on the marketing mix to help drive attendance for the CSP briefings. The CSP Briefings is an activity that helps clients understand Microsoft AI, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and the capabilities. If a client is using Microsoft 365 and they have not used Copilot or purchased it yet, for us, that is a highly qualified lead. And we will work with you to have those conversations. And there's incentives out there to allow that to happen. We'll be reviewing a few of our profiles here today so that you can learn more about some of these capabilities. I wanted to highlight our CSP presenter, Tommy Cuevas, on our side, because he's going to help lead these discussions with clients. Sorry about that. So that's the standard cycle. The secret agent briefing, this is more about some of those nuggets of information that's going to help you learn, have new conversations. We will bring in generative AI experts. We have a slew of people who want to share some insights. And through our partner briefings, you get the inside scoop. First working Monday, marketing. Second Tuesday, insights. Third Wednesday, that's when we all come together. That's great. Now we want to talk a little bit about the a la carte services. We also want to chat about our CSP private briefings. This is a really important engagement with us and your team and clients. A CSP private briefing is an event that a partner can schedule with our team. If you can bring 3 clients that use Microsoft 365 and have not purchased Copilot, that is a good conversation for us to schedule. We make it easy for you to do that. When I first started to describe xMonthly, we talked about a product or a service as X. And time, again, is a very limited resource. We have our standard schedule of services, and then we have our a la carte offerings. Our intent is to help make sure you can navigate the Microsoft ecosystem to help generate additional revenue streams to help you be successful. We are also highlighting your services and marketing your services to help capture opportunities to work and partner together. From our scheduling tool, we currently have 8 services available to sync up with us. We get hands-on. You can schedule the 90-minute CSP client engagement, 3 customer minimum briefing, straight from our scheduling tool, and our team will show up and share these results. We will onboard them and work through that process. If you want to know more about these CSP briefings, schedule time with us and we'll go through it with you. I actually encourage you to sign up for the first one on the 15th of January, just so you know what you can expect for your clients. We also provide a half-day camp discovery. Camp discovery allows us to work with you hand in hand. It's a half-day workshop where we will analyze your client base with you. We will determine the next steps in place for you and develop a pipeline through discovery. From there, we will get actionable insights. We will have specific steps to work with you to migrate or capture that opportunity. This is a highly specialized skill that we're excited and happy to help walk you through. If you want us to come on site, we're more than happy to travel. And if you want to have a check-in, like a weekly check-in, 8-week program, will help you get connected with the Microsoft Incentives Program. So we shared our standard meetings. We shared our a la carte services, and we have our CSP briefings. We will provide you the marketing materials. We will work with you. There are inside salespeople to help you as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the site right now. This is a great way for you to kind of engage and be able to kind of jump in and learn more about what we are doing. In the past couple months, we've released almost 100 web pages. Today, before this call, we released them. So I encourage you to explore. If you check out xMonthly, I encourage everyone to subscribe to the journey. Our overview page makes it simple to kind of see a timeline. On the overview page, you will see a feed, a blog feed. That blog feed is fed by our contributors. And our gift to you this year to get started is to help you establish a contributor profile and start posting, sharing exactly what you're looking for and how you can benefit clients. If you partner with us, we have different capabilities. In the Microsoft space, there are a number of opportunities for individuals to be successful. If you're really good at a service, we want to list those services and help generate those leads for you. It will be a service catalog where end clients will be able to find services and connect with the humans of AI. And that's you. So you're part of this. What's your X? You're in business. You have something special. Let's help you define what that X is and start marketing it. We want to list ISV products. We want to list consulting services. We want specialized industry solutions to help you win. Okay. When a deal comes in, there is essentially two primary ways of working with us. They are your clients. If it's your core competency, we want you to deliver on that core competency. We want you to have those licenses. If you partner with us, you focus on yours and we'll help expand that opportunity for you while doing the heavy lifting. And we will pay a referral for those licenses. The client is yours. If you only want us to do the CSP briefings, we will do that. And we'll help educate that process. All you got to do is schedule a call and we'll help you through there. There's funding by Microsoft for some of these initiatives, and we are going to help deliver these services for partners. So think about that M365 play. Think about the AI, Copilot. How can that accelerate your client discussions? Our agent programs, there's a services partner, there's a subscriptions agent. A subscription agent, what I really like about this is We all have contacts. If you want to benefit from your capabilities and networking with your clients or long-term relationships, xMonthly can be a clearinghouse for you. We'll help process those licenses. We will help deal with the tedious sales tax compliance requirements of subscription billing in the different states. If you're an international partner, that is a good program for you to do because you do not need to establish a US location. We will do that for you. Let us know how we can help. From a solutions agent, this is your IP, and we are going to pull the ecosystem together. We're going to help market and sell your solution. So when you list your IP, there's typically a buy and a sell price, and we'll help with that transaction. xMonthly does have some big goals. In our first phase, we're establishing the framework. We're pulling our agents, we're pulling our services, we're pulling our products, we're pulling our discovery questions. As we grow, we are going to build something really cool. So thank you and your support in helping get this started. Our hope is to change the way CSP licensing is done. We'll share more about it, and thank you for participating. We have already discussed the CSP briefings. We've tucked our products in there. So if you're new to the Microsoft space, we've listed, I think, 27 of the top SKUs out there. Out of the 3,000 SKUs that are out there, whatever it is now, we're helping them make it easy for people to understand and learn what is available. There are product pages for each of them. So dig in, learn, wrap your services around here, and we'll pull it together. There's a lot of information, there's scheduling, and we have a simple process to start subscribing. Like all indirect CSP resellers or direct CSP resellers, everyone's going to have to establish a relationship, and this process is just a standard process. Fill out a new client onboarding form to get the client into our system. Schedule a call with us to make sure there's no errors. We'll get a quote for you. We'll execute the customer agreement, the CSP agreements, and we'll help with that. As a subscription agent, you can earn referrals for the life of the client. Let's go ahead and so that's kind of the main idea, right? We're a CSP subscription management software company. We're bringing agents together, solutions, partners. Let's go ahead and take a look at what our contributor profiles look like. Under agents, people will be able to request services. We've been working hard. We've been working with many people in the industry, even some new ones, to help drive the framework for xMonthly. As a contributor, you will be able to list yourself here. As we get more and more agent, our filtering and search capabilities will adapt and grow so that people can find exactly what they're looking for. As a contributor, let's dig into Thomas's profile. You get a short overview, what you're great at. You can provide your services. and we'll generate discovery questions to help identify ways for clients to engage. Let's go ahead and click into a few of these bits. Additionally, the posts that are created by our contributors hit the feed. We're going to syndicate this content. We're going to amplify your voice. The first posts are free. We'll be rolling out our paid programs next month. We're building the foundation, and we are giving you the good stuff up front. When you dig in, let's check out managed IT services. You get to claim a service. We'll be able to apply multiple agents to a service so a client has a place to search and learn and research. There are specific tasks, resources, capabilities that you're able to list. So as you think about your services, some of the IP, some of the cool things that you do as an organization, think about your services. We'll help you market them. We talked about the CSP briefings, private shows. We talked about what your X is. If you come in here and how to get started, we're asking for innovators to tell us what your X is, and we'll help you market it. It's a product or a service. Fill out that form, and it turns into an onboarding process. For making your mark, we have a calendar guide. Monthly is a frequency. We have a calendar guide of the different types of engagements, industry events, networking, CSP briefings. You can also find the community calendar here. This is a dynamic document. I think about things in time. This is what's happening in January. This is our launch event. Happy New Year. Our next session is the xMonthly Secret Agent Briefing. That'll be happening next Tuesday. Then we have the CSP Briefing. That's the client event, and that's happening on the 15th. We are planned throughout the year, so you can plan to work with us. They're scheduled. We also put in other interesting events, other things that might help you have conversations. So we're not the master of all things with the calendar, but we want to help showcase you. We'll be attending some different shows throughout the year. We are planned from now to June for the shows that we will be attending. We're excited. There's an opportunity that we're going at the end of January to the Acumatica Summit Conference in Vegas. To us, working with an ERP partner, we are going to have the CSP briefing conversation. It's not that unique. If you're going to be there, let us know. We'd love to connect with you. There's also other interesting days on here. Business days. There's release events. We're still partners with the Stratus Cloud Alliance. So for now, they have the first Thursday of each month. I encourage you to sign up for that event as well. They help you get access to additional resources. Happy to work with other distributors as well in trying to bring this to market. So submit your own new events. Be part of the journey. Let us share. We will market for you. There you go. There's an event submission guide. Let us know what you're presenting, how we can work, and let's work together. Well, we just went 30 minutes. Everyone on this call will be receiving an email from our team with access to your contributor profile. You can opt out if you'd like. We will be providing additional help to help you get started with xMonthly. We're in this for the long haul. Having successfully built a few revenue streams for many partner organizations, we're excited to do this for us, and we're excited to do this for you. Let's work together and figure out how we can help bring CSP solutions to market. I did want to provide an opportunity for people to ask questions. I want to respect your time and availability. We're going to review the chat now. For next steps, our team will reach out to you with instructions on how to log in, how to build out your profile, how to build out your services, how to create your first post. We encourage you to join our secret agent briefing. We'll be going into more details about that with Gen AI next Tuesday. Michael Wall from our team will be sharing some additional insights there. He's amazing. Some of the stuff I'm learning from him on the Gen AI side, we need to be cognizant of it. They also bring in additional flavors of cloud technologies so that our partners are cognizant of the opportunities as we expand. All right. Let's go into if you'd like to register any clients for the CSP briefing or attend it yourself, there's two different links for you. It helps us identify who's registering those leads. I'm dropping those into the chat if you would like to register for the CSP briefing. Again, we have different programs and flexibility around our programs. Our intent is to build these tools at scale so that we can work with all the individuals here and help roll this up. We have services agents, solution agents, and subscription agents. Each one of these is an opportunity for the humans of AI to engage and help to deliver great services for clients. Thank you all very much for attending today's session. My name's Jeffrey DiMaria, and I am thankful to have you here. This is the most exciting thing I've ever worked on in my entire life, and I appreciate everyone participating. Our team's excited. The community's excited. Let's go ahead and help accelerate your business. Thank you for coming today.